Alright, welcome to the Sunglass Storage Edition. So I have two options to show you. The first one is it clips up here. I'll show you how to install that, and then that just drops down to put your sunnies in. This is flock lined, so you're not going to scratch your sunglasses. And then the other one, if I quickly show you that, so this little cubby down here, you can see there's a pair of sunnies in there. This just sticks onto anything using a couple of really big strong Velcro pads on the back. So any kind of carpeted area, just pop it on inside of your sunglasses or anything else you want to store as well. So we have it on the passenger side, mostly because it's just easier to do installation videos from over here, but obviously you can put this anywhere, including in the trunk as well, or in the back seats as well. So super useful. So this is super easy, takes 1 second to fit, takes any size sunglasses and any other stuff. But this one we're going to spend a little more time on. So it fits, if I kind of give you the quick orientation. So these two clips here, I'll get this right, these two clips here just clip up here behind the headliner. And then these two much skinnier clips just go in above the, I don't know what you call this. I did have a name for it. Anyway, this thing here, the thing with the has a button and the lights. So let me just move these out of the way real quick, just so you can see a bit easier what's happening. Okay, so in the box, other than this, you'll also get an orange spudger. In my wisdom, I threw away all of the ones I had, so I'm just using one of our regular spudgers, but same principle applies. And honestly, you don't always need it anyway, but I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. So the first way, I'm going to just get right here and just kind of push up like that, and hopefully you can see on this other camera looking up, let me just kind of pick it up a little bit, it's just kind of snuck in there behind the panel, so that's super easy. Put that down, and then we're just going to work it up there on both sides, and then we're going to come back to the front here, just take a look at it, make sure that's nice and stable. So that's not moving anywhere, that's very solid, you're not going to get rattles from it or anything. I get a pair of sunnies, obviously they fit in there perfectly fine. If I grab a larger pair, also no issues. Alright, so that's one way of installing it. Let me remove it real quick. So if your gap around here is super tight, which actually this one is here, I mean it's really quite difficult to move, but if you can't just get these little kind of teeth in by forcing up like that, which is definitely the easy way of doing it, but if for some reason you can't do that, we're going to have to just pry this down a little bit to open up a gap for these to fit in. So this is a little more fiddly. I'm going to get up behind here. And with your trim tool that comes with the sunglass holder, it'll be easier. This is actually not really designed for this. But what I'm going to do is just open up a little gap. Let me show you without this in the way, just like that. Same on this side. And then just kind of force it in. Look at that, turn that on. So you don't have much room to maneuver, but that's in. And again, installed. So super easy, and the colour, the texture obviously matches everything else up here. So you have this as a great option. If you don't want the hassle of installing this, or you have a Model Y, then our little Velcro cubby is super useful. And